Welcome everyone. Problem on pH. Determine the H plus ion concentration in a solution whose pH is 5.2. Here given pH is equal to 5.2. We know that pH is equal to minus log concentration of H plus, or concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power minus pH. Now we put the value of pH in this equation. Therefore, concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power minus 5.2, or concentration of H plus is equal to 6.3 into 10 to the power minus 6 mole per liter. Thank you for watching this video.